Living with a rare disease. It's not an easy task, especially when you're young. Good evening, I'm BRITT SALAY. Wayne 15's Taylor King spoke with a family dealing with just that, though. Taylor.
7-year-old Paul Herman is among the 300 million people worldwide living with a rare disease called hemophilia.
As far as parenting, it's, if he falls down and hits his head on something, you go to the grocery store with him and he's got a bruise on his head, you have to get used to people looking at you.
Paul Herman was born with hemophilia, a rare genetic disorder that lacks one of the important proteins, important for bleeding and stopping bleeding. Paul's mother, Jamie Herman, knew she was going to be a carrier of hemophilia during her pregnancy.
During my pregnancy for him, we knew there would be a chance, especially once we found out we were having a boy, that we would have a son that had hemophilia. It was a 50-50 chance. And during my pregnancy, the OBGYN that I saw got us set up with the Hemophilia and Thrombosis Center in Indianapolis. And they had everything ready at the hospital. We had a kit. We tested cord blood right after he was born so that they could check a factor level on him quickly. And we found out when he was just a few hours old that he has hemophilia.
But through those struggles, Paul has made some massive strides and has overcome many hurdles.
Actually just did his own shot for the first time 2 weeks ago, which is huge. I mean, he's 7 and not many adults can do that. So it's super impressive that he did that. That's definitely a major triumph.
One of Paul's doctors, Dr. Charles Nakar, says when treating patients with hemophilia, he wants them to have a normal life.
We want them to have normal development, and for a child that with a bleeding disorder that may affect his growth and development, this is a very important thing. So we want him to have a normal life. We want him to know that the sky is the limit and he can do everything in life like everybody else, if not better. And Paul is having, I think, great life.
Despite the lack of normalcy the Herman family has had to deal with, they cannot believe how strong and brave Paul truly is.
Kids with hemophilia are definitely probably some of the bravest kids that I think that you could ever see. Not many kids are going to sit still for needle sticks, and it's a chronic lifelong issue, and if you don't treat it, it leads to pain and it leads to severe disabilities and things like that. So they really are warriors.
Paul loves playing baseball, watching television, and being around his family. Rare Disease Awareness Day is Monday, February 28th. Taylor King, Wayne 15 News.